Good morning, children. Today we are going to start again a new chapter. Hope all of you are ready for your social class. Okay, let us start a new chapter, that is chapter number 14 at page number 93. See, children, the chapter that we are going to start now is chapter 14 at page number 93, that is transport and communication. What it is? Transport and communication. So children, already we had done chapter 2, that is India, our country, and chapter 8, the climate of our country, the climate of India. Now as a third chapter we are going to start chapter number 14, that is transport and communication. So all of you just open your social books at page number 93. And children, remember to hold a pencil in your hand so that you can underline the important words, and you can write the meaning of some words too. Okay, so let us see what we are going to learn about. So move ahead into the chapter and see in the first box what we can see, what we will learn about, what we are going to learn about in this chapter. हम क्या सीखने जा रहे हैं इस chapter में? What we are going to learn about. The first thing is roadways and railways. What we are going to learn? Roadways and railways, because the chapter itself means transport. आपको already पता है what do you mean by transport. So obviously in this chapter we are going to learn more about the types of the transport, just like roadways, railways, waterways and airways. And along with transport we are going to learn about communication too. So what are the different means of communication, what are the different types of communication? So we are going to learn about both these topics in this chapter. Okay children, let us see the first step. That is, underline the means of transport and communication given in the sentences below. See here, here we can see some sentences. So what the task is for you to do is underline the means of transport and communication given in these sentences. So just read the sentences, and what you have to do is you have to underline means of transport, which type of transport you can see there, and the communication also. If we are using one or other type of communication, we can underline that too. So what is the first sentence? Tiana went to her uncle's house by train. How she went to her uncle's? Tiana went to her uncle's house by train. How she went to her uncle's house by train. So इसमें कोई means of communication दिख रही है क्या? Already I think you already learned about, even last year I taught you about communication too, है ना? So इसमें कोई transport या communication? Yes, obviously train, which is used to travel for farther distances. So train, you have to underline here train. Rashi is listening to the news on radio. What it is? Rashi is listening to the news on radio. Radio पे news सुन रही है. Who is that? That is Rashi. So what we are going to underline here is means of communication. One of the means of communication, radio. So underline the word. Next, Ganesh is traveling in a bus. How he is traveling? In a bus, and talking to his mother on phone. He is traveling in a bus, and by the same way he is talking to his mother on a mobile phone. So what we have to underline here is we have a means of transport and also a means of communication, both in this sentence. If you observe the first sentence carefully, we have only one thing, that is means of transport, which is train. And when it comes to Rashi, what she is doing? She is listening to the news on radio. So here we have to underline the means of communication, that is radio. And in third one, it is Ganesh is traveling in a bus. It is a means of transport, and along with that we have a means of communication too, that is phone. So hope all of you done with this, and let us move further into the chapter. See, The chapter itself is transport and communication. So first of all, we are going to discuss more about transport. What, children? Transport. What do you mean by transport? Yes, all of you know, I think, है ना, what is transport? Transport is one of the way to travel from one place to another place, isn't it? वो एक मोड ऑफ ये है जिससे हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं. By using these means of transport, we can travel from one place to another. So let us see the definition. Traveling refers. What do you mean by traveling? Traveling refers means इसका ये meaning होता है, क्या है? To the act of moving from one place to another. So what do you mean by traveling? Traveling means एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, मतलब आने जाना जो करते हैं ना हम, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट ट्रैवलिंग. वी हैव डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग. सो अपने पास तरह तरह के ट्रैवलिंग की वेज है. व्हाट दे आर? रोडवेज, वी आर यूजिंग रोड. Railways, by trains. Waterways, by using ships and boats, all these. And airways is nothing but by using aeroplane and helicopter, all these. Children, from the earlier classes itself, you had already learned about all these things, isn't it? You have already learned about these things कि ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या होता है. ट्रांसपोर्ट एक्चुअली एक दैट इज़ नथिंग बट इट रिफर्स टू द ट्रैवलिंग इज़ रिफर्स टू द एक्ट ऑफ मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आपको जानी है तो वी नीड वन और अदर वे टू ट्रैवल. हमको जाने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ साधन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. दैट इज़ नथिंग बट our transport. In this transport, again transport में so many types are there, by using roadways, railways, waterways and airways. So let us know in detail about each and everything. So see the first one, what it is? Roadways. Roads are the most important mode of transport. What it is, children? Read the sentence again. Roads are the most important mode of transport. Mode means most important form, सबसे important form of transport. सबसे transport जब आप use करते हो, normally आप सोचिए, if you are coming to school daily, how do you used to come to school? Yes, obviously by using a conveyance of school, just like bus, van, etc., or on your own conveyance, by car, scooter, scooty, bike, whatever it may be, है ना, whatever the mode of transport you are using, but you are using the way. What are the way that you are using? आप आ कैसा रहे हो? कोई ट्रेन में आ रहे क्या स्कूल? नो ना. Anyone from flight? It is highly impossible. So we are mostly using roadways. किससे क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं आप? ठीक है, आप आ रहे हो, ठीक है, ये बाइक, बस, ये सब, बट व्हाट यू आर यूजिंग इज़ रोडवेज. रोड के थ्रू, रोड को यूज़ करते हुए ऑन लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट यू आर रीचिंग योर स्कूल, इजंट इट? सो रोड्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड. सी द वर्ड क्लासिफाइड. व्हाट इट इज़? क्लासिफिकेशन मीन्स कैटेगराइज्ड, मतलब उसको अलग अलग क्लासेस में डिवाइड किया. इन सेंस दे आर कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स. रोड कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज कच्चा. व्हाट इट इज़? कच्चा. और कच्चा को हम एक वर्ड और दिया है इधर. व्हाट इट इज़? अनमेटल्ड. क्या है बेटा? अनमेटल्ड. अंडरलाइन द वर्ड अनमेटल्ड. कच्चा रोड्स मतलब बिना सड़क के जो होते हैं रोड, उनको हम अनमेटल्ड और कच्चा रोड्स बोलते हैं. अनमेटल्ड मीन्स बिना सड़क के. सो हाउ दिस अनमेटल्ड रोड्स लुक लाइक? ये कैसे होते हैं? दे आर वेरी रफ एंड इवन कांट बेयर मोर वेट ऑल्सो. मतलब ये इतना रफ होते हैं, बिल्कुल प्लेन सर्फेस नहीं होते हैं. एंड इवन आप ना ज़्यादा वज़न लेके बड़े बड़े गाड़ियों से उसमें जा भी नहीं सकते हो. दैट इज़ नथिंग बट अनमेटल्ड मीन्स बिना सड़क के. एंड पक्का और मेटल्ड रोड. सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ कच्चा, and the another name of kacha is unmetalled, and the second one it is pakka or metalled road. metalled means बहुत अच्छा सड़क हुआ है, सड़क वाला रोड जो है उसको metalled road, just opposite of unmetalled. So we can have the roads can be classified, categorized into two types. What they are? One is kacha and other is pakka or unmetalled and metalled. कच्चा रोड्स आर मेनली फाउंड इन, यस कच्चा बिना सड़क वाले रोड सब ज़्यादातर कहाँ देख सकते हो, यस मोस्टली इन विलेजेस एंड स्मॉल टाउन्स, छोटे छोटे टाउन्स और विलेजेस में देख सकते हो. वाइल पक्का रोड्स आर फाउंड इन सिटीज़, सो वेयर यू कैन सी पक्का रोड्स इन सिटीज़ वेयर देर इज़ अ गुड डेवलपमेंट. मतलब विलेजेस एंड टाउन्स से कंपेयर करो तो you can observe more development in cities, and obviously the cities are well maintained with pakka roads. Is it okay children? So what a transport is and what the different types of transport, उसमें हम first roadways we have discussed about this.